Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add customizable blur effects to your design in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva desktop version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. To get started, you can click apps, then click design essentials. Now you can find frame blur. Here you can draw an area and add an effect to your image, blur unwanted objects or clip out shapes and text elements, add an effect and create transparent background. So you can click use in your design, or if you already have your design, you can click use in existing design. Here you can upload or select image that you want. This one, for example. Now click to edit image. And here we go. So you can add blur or remove. If you mess up, you can try to undo. So for example, let's clear. You can add shape. There are some located. In order to use it, you have to upgrade, and also text. So here you can add blur. You can use a brush size. Here, this one, for example. Then you can use Gaussian and you can choose the intensity. Then you can click save. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.